What's going on, Internet? It is your boy, Eric Bandholz, back again with another awesome episode from Beardbrand, and today I'm going to tell you how I got this incredible, voluminous, beautiful, natural-looking hair. Alright, here's the deal, guys. I am having a tremendous hair day. It's already halfway through the day. My hair's looking great volume, great color. And I'm out traveling right now, so I wanted to show you what I did today on my travel style day to get me the hair that I have today. So the first thing you will need is, this is a prototype of Temple Smoke sea salt spray. I don't think our gold line might not be released yet, but you can pick up a silver line. Our sea salt spray is amazing. This is the only product I have in my hair right now. And what you want to do is shake it up. And you'll notice one thing in here is it gets really foamy. So when you go to the beach, you see the ocean crashing and all that little foam. It's very similar to this because we've got not just like the salt water from the sea, but we've also paired it in with a clay that is going to mimic the sand that you have when it gets tossed up into the beach as well. But in addition to that, because it's a hair care product, we've added other ingredients in there like aloe to help condition the hair. So it's a product that you can use daily without causing damage or breakage. So it's something that you'll get a nice matte, natural looking hair with volume, but it's still very movable and touchable. So my number one hack with the sea salt spray is a lot of guys will just shake it up, spray it. What I like to do is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will just spray it in my hand, work it into the hand, and then I will apply it directly to my hair. So I've hopped out of the shower, I've damp dried my hair, I apply the sea salt spray in that way, and it gives me a lot more control than when I just kind of go around and spray it. So that's one of my favorite hacks that I've learned over the years with dealing with the sea salt spray. And then from there, I'm just using the hotel air dryer. And it has a high and a low and no real temperature setting. So just the cold blast here. And basically grabbing the comb, you're going up and back. So up and back. And then on the sides, again, you're going kind of up and toward the middle part, right? So what you're doing with the sides is you're adding that structure, which is going to help the volume stay up on the top of your head rather than kind of falling down. So with the hairdryer, again, using the brush, going like that. And I actually do the same thing on this side, going up and back, up and back. And then after my hair is dried, then I'll come in and create a little part like that. And then once I have the part set, I'll come back and then kind of blow dry the part into place like that. So all told, one product, a comb, and a hair dryer, and I will have this hair looking this way throughout the entire day. And the fingers go through it. It doesn't feel like I have products in my hair. It just feels like my natural hair. And it looks great in my opinion. It's got volume. It's got movement. It's got texture. And the sea salt spray, grab it. If you don't have it, it's a great foundational product. If I wanted to have a little more shine or a little more sheen, I would grab a little bit of styling balm, apply that to the hair, and that's going to give a nice satin finish, whereas this is just going to be a completely natural finish. Or you could pair it together with like a clay or even a pomade too, if you wanted to go that route. So there you have it. That's how you get this awesome, voluminous, natural looking hair. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Cheers. Keep on growing. Beardbrand is a premium men's grooming company with products not only for your beard, but also your hair and body. do yourself a favor and head over to beardbrand.com and take care of yourself. Or you can stick around and watch a few more of our awesome videos.